then they host this thing, not the para. Calm down. Drop that for
Okay. My players have one special request before we sit down. We have this song.
This is Dr. Ike Chioke, the Group Managing Director of
Afri-Invest
the sponsor of Rangers International FC. He's with Commissioner of Youth and Sports, Lloyd Ekwuremadu. Uti Walumadu, Obioma Walumadu, Dr. Ike Chioke.
Kadima,
Egwabu for Afri-Invest.
If you love the government of Enugu State, say yeah. Say yeah. If you love Amobi, say yeah. If you love Okpara, say yeah. Thank you. Please, you may now sit. Up Rangers. Up Rangers. I welcome everyone here in the name of our Lord Jesus Christ, in the name of the governor of the state, Dr. Peter Ndubisimba, the sports ministry led by my good friend Barrister Lloyd Ekwuremadu, Afri-Invest, led by the GMD, Dr. Ike Chioke, all the commissioners here, the Speaker of the House of Assembly and all the House of Assembly members, the Enugu State Chief Judge and all the judges, the judicial arm of the state, the members representing the Enugu House and Senate, local government chairman, and in the name of my good brother, my friend, Okulora Ndigbo, the Rangers Supporters Club, the most important foundation of the current Rangers, the S Rangers, our fathers over there, the S Rangers, without whom we won't be here today. I can see our grandfather, our father, Chief Emma Okala, the FA chairman Enugu State, Barrister Tony Ugu, and all the board members of the Enugu State Football Association, the Nigerian Football Federation President, Alhaji Ibrahim Musa Guzo, the FA chairman of the states in Nigeria. We send special thanks to all of you. We send special thanks particularly to the good people of Plateau State for the warm hospitality. Members of the press, we say a big thank you. The Rangers stewards, we say a big thank you to the stewards. and women who have lost their lives for this club, we remember you today and we pray for the happy repose of your souls. Tonight is important in the annals of our club history. Tonight is important because we are celebrating the arrival of our 8th title. Tonight is important. Tonight is important because for the first time in a very long while, Rangers can boast of one of the best sponsors anyone can think of. Invest West Africa Limited. Tonight is important because in the history of Nigerian football in recent times, this is the first time a club is deviating from the normal trophy parade and have chosen to embrace a trophy presentation. Tonight is important because not just that we have a sports-loving governor, we have a governor who, notwithstanding the busy schedule of the state, decided to fly all the way to Jos, even with the turbulence, to see that we lift this trophy. Tonight is important because as we celebrate tonight, we do not celebrate only these players that are living. We do not celebrate Godwin Obaje alone. We do not celebrate Shiba alone. We do not celebrate the captain, Chukwudinwodu, alone. We do not celebrate Coach Fidelis Ilechukwu alone, or Atudo, or Marcelo, who has just returned from the national team, Kenneth Iboke. We do not celebrate Jafet Opubo alone. Tonight is important because we are not celebrating Emeka Onyia alone. Because we are celebrating players like Ifeanyi George of blessed memory. We are celebrating players like Iginiwari George of blessed memory. Stanley Okoronkwo. We are celebrating legends like Obioko. We are celebrating legends like Harrison Mecha, whom we lost a few months ago. Tonight is important because these players you've seen here tonight, they played through pains, they played through stress, they played notwithstanding the busy nature of the league to fight for the symbol, for the badge of Rangers. They fought to preserve the identity of our region. They fought to preserve the true meaning of our movement, the Igbo nation. They fought to preserve the true meaning of our region and of our nation. Tonight is important because the boys you see here today, this flag you see, the symbol, the badge of our club will be represented in the biggest continent, will be represented in the biggest tournament in the African continent. Tonight is important because by midnight today, the CAF CMS will open and Rangers International Football Club of Enugu will be keyed into the CAF CMS as the #1 representative of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Tonight is important because a lot of people will be touched tonight. A lot of lives will be touched tonight. Tonight is not just for the players. Tonight is for everyone who identifies with this club. Tonight is for everyone who has shown love and affection to this club. Tonight is for everyone who has believed in the dreams of this club. Tonight is for everyone who is not here, who is at home celebrating. Tonight is for the sick who will be made well today because Rangers has won the 8th title.
Sponsor of Rangers, thank you. And this is the Honorable Commissioner of
Abane Aburo Makandi Enugu alone. Abane Abu Makandi Igbo. Abane Abu Makandi Southeast Niile. Abane Abu Makandi Nigeria. So tonight, dear friends, dear elders, let's celebrate. Let's make merry. Let's be happy. For over 9 months, we've suffered for this trophy. So tonight, do not be in a haste to go home. Our state is secured. Tonight, we have a lot to eat, a lot to drink. Tonight is the night that the Lord has made. Tonight, we will rejoice and be glad.
Sorry. You understand?
Most importantly, to our fans out there, we want to let you know that because of the strategic plan of this club, this trophy here, for the next 1 month, because we want you to know, to understand that this club belongs to you. For the next 1 month, the Rangers office will be open to everybody here. Come in, take photos with this trophy. This trophy belongs to all of us. Dear friends, before we leave the stage, we would like to, in a very special way, ask that you do not forget the man who said we should go, Dr. Peter Ndubi Simba. Tonight, please, when you leave the gate of Okpara Square, always bear in your heart that tomorrow is here. When you leave this gate tonight, before you get to your house, remember that the governor gave permission to a company, to a company led by a man with a golden heart, Afri Invest West Africa. When you live here tonight, I challenge everyone to visit Afri Invest West Africa. You do not need to go to their headquarters in Lagos. Go to Instagram, go to Facebook. I can see some people doing that. Open your app and download the Optimus app. Invest. Support Afri Invest because Afri Invest has supported Rangers. Tonight, where is the coach? Kamara.
Sabi coach.
Demo.
If you know you love our cause, can you say Rangers? When I say Rangers, they never say that up Rangers.
Thank you, supporters club. Coach, thank you. Come, coach. Stay here. So please, as we celebrate tonight, do not forget all the people supporting our club, all our partners, Afri Invest, Senior Barman, Puzzle Classic Clothing, Amatrice Kitchen Pastries, and all the other potential sponsors we shall be expecting soon. Tonight, the players, remember I made a promise to you. Tonight I speak to you as your general manager. I promised you to bring this trophy and you drown yourself, right? Tonight, before the people of God here,
You want to carry on.
So I wanted to give you a little secret because tonight we want to open our hearts to you. Do you guys know that the players you see here,
congratulations to Rangers. Board. Like and comment. Tell us where you're joining us from. Tell us where you are. Prince George Ejike Namane.
And in the course of the season, I was having a conversation with the Honorable Commissioner for Youth and Sports, Barrister Lloyd Ekweremadu.
And Ezekiel, thank you.
To promise my players.
I like him. Comment.
That when we sacrifice our flesh and win this trophy for the good people of Enugu State, for Ndigbo, for Nigeria, that the flesh needs to
Honorable
recover.
Lloyd Ekweremadu. Honorable Lloyd Ekweremadu is here live. The Honorable Commissioner of Youth and Sports.
So tonight, Coach, we are not going to say it in the training tomorrow. We are not going to wake up at 5:30 a.m. tomorrow. We are not going to wake up at 4:30 a.m. We are not going to train at 6 a.m. and come back at 12 noon and come back at 4 p.m. So tonight,
if you know you love your team, can I say yeah?
More comments, more sharing. Keep on sharing to your platform, different WhatsApp groups, different groups. Keep on liking.
By the governor of Enugu State, Dr. Peter Ndigbo, with the power vested on me, by the Honorable Commissioner for Youth and Sports. My dear players, my sagacious players, my talented players, my brilliant players, my tactical players, my technical players, we hereby declare 10 days break. We hereby declare 10 days drowning.
From Anambra, from Enugu, thank you.
Tonight, please, tonight, the players of Rangers tonight are not going to their camp. The players of Rangers tonight have been housed in one of the best apartments in Enugu. It is their time to enjoy. It is their time to celebrate. So guys, congratulations and let's party. Let the party begin. Let's party. Let's party.
Are you ready now? Say.
All right.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Please, can we have all the Rangers players back to their seats? If you know you have been occupying their seat, please free it for them. Please free their seats for them.
Please, all the Mabolas, Please feel free, all the champions, you're free to your seats.
I quickly would want to invite the man that has made it happen.
It's George Ejiken Naman. Okay.
So, now 2 persons, I have a speech from very important people who of course have made it happen.
I will let them know.
Please, I crave your indulgence, players, as they go back to their seats.
Keep on commenting, keep on sharing, keep on liking.
Before, make sure say you know what you will do here tonight. Oh yeah, now say, we are bringing cathedral to Okpara Square.
How do you feel? Why can she feel any women?
One time, ladies and gentlemen, everyone.
No man, I ain't gonna go.
Everybody say, go, 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 go. Let's go. Come on. Here we go, let's go.
Gotta be careful.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, please. DJ, thank you very much. God bless you. God bless you. Please on. Please on for Africa. Please on to the world. All right. Please, these victories that would not have been made possible if some very special individuals didn't put their neck on the chopper's board to say, if we fail, chop it. But if we win, let it be. Please, I want to invite the GMD of Afri Invest. Please come over their hands together for Dr. Ikechi Choki, a man that, like Okpara will say, saw Gota and said, please put your hands together for him.
Dalo, yes, yes. Okay, send that message now. WhatsApp. Let's discuss with them.
If you're not Afri, you get level. If I see you.
Up Rangers! Up Rangers! Never say die!
Prince of Obioma Kingdom.
It is
Dr. Ikechi.
a very great pleasure to be here tonight to celebrate with Rangers Football Club, with the people of Enugu State, with the people of the southeastern region of Nigeria, and with the entire nation of Nigeria, to celebrate the dynamism of young, talented footballers who have lifted our spirits in such an amazing way as we feel at this very moment. When, in October last year, the management of Afri Invest decided to step on the line and come and be the jersey sponsor for Rangers International. We did not expect them to go this far. Indeed, the league had not even started.
Group Managing Director of Africa
But we
Invest.
believe that we can do this as a way of supporting young people, as a way of empowering young people, as a way for young people to see that they themselves can control their own destinies when given the right opportunities. Fast forward 10 months later, and here we are celebrating the win of the 2023-2024 season for the Nigerian Professional Football League. Please, let's have another round of applause for Rangers International. For years, for decades, and have not won one single trophy. And for AfriInvest to come into the industry, and immediately in the first year, we go away, not just with a trophy, but the biggest trophy I've seen in a long time. This here weighs about 25 kilograms. So if you haven't had lunch or dinner, you cannot carry it, you know. So it's a beautiful prize to go home with. But beyond this win is the opportunity for the future for Rangers. They are now going to play in the African CAF Championship League, and we are going to be fully behind Rangers to make sure they have a resounding victory. AfriInvest is fully committed to that. You can count on that. And from that, we expect to see bright young talents from Rangers aspire for greatness to go and play in the best soccer teams around the world, because that's our belief, that from this team we can conquer the world, we can change our fortune, we can change all the challenges we have in Nigeria, and help to support His Excellency Governor Peter Amba in his vision of transforming Enugu from a small economy to a $30 billion economy in the next few years. Indeed, Enugu tomorrow is here. I want to thank the governor for his support and his blessing and his encouragement. I want to thank the commissioner for sports, the youngest commissioner in the country, Lord Ekwerimadu. And I want to thank the general manager, Amobi Ezako, for his fantastic managerial skills and all the expertise he brought in to organizing the team. But I will not get away without thanking the entire football team and our coach, Fidelis Ilechiku, for the fantastic job they've done. All of you deserve the glory you're enjoying today, and I believe this is just a stepping stone to more glory and more fame in the years ahead. Thank you very much indeed.
Please, can we put our hands together for this man? I want to touch him. You know why I want to touch him?